Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check Super GUID section on the Cookie Run Kingdom application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This is my cake farm on the village. And then you go to the third line at the upper right corner of the screen under the letter icon, and you can find the Super GUID option under the photo mode button. And here you can check the kingdom section, the battle, cookies and the misc. You can find different button, and if you unlock it you can use that. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.